This is a Subaru 2007 Outback station wagon, and it has a problem with the rear latch. There's a latch under here which you depress in order to release the lock and open the door, open the gate, and it moves. I can use it, but it doesn't spring back. You know, you pull it forward and it just kind of stays, and you have to force it back. So something's wrong in there. Perhaps I can show this a little better. So here you depress it like so, and it just stays. It doesn't pop back. You have to then just force it back in order to lock the thing. That really should spring back freely. So something's binding up in there. We'll have to get inside this door and see if we can figure out what it is. Our lift gate, from the inside looking out, it's sort of close. I'm holding it open with a little screwdriver there just to keep it open just a little bit. But in order to access the rear gate latch assembly, all you have to do is remove this panel right here, this little cover. This cover here at the very lower center part of the lift gate. You just this guy will just sort of pop right out. There it goes. And now we look inside, and here's the lift gate latch assembly right here. Now the lift gate outer handle, as we know, is sticking. But now with this piece of trim out of the way, we can expose the rear gate latch assembly. And what I did is I sprayed WD-40 over all of the moving parts and over part of that little cable. And that loosened it up somewhat. The movement improved, but it wasn't perfect. It was still kind of sticking. Then I went back to the rear gate outer handle, and I noticed in here and in here they were metal parts that were heavily rusted. It appears that the handle turns on those, so I then put a lot of WD-40 on there and there, and after that it moves perfectly. So if yours is sticking like mine did, try lubricating that point, and then in the lift gate latch assembly itself, try lubricating all of the moving parts in here, and that might just solve your problem.